In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect payments for coaching in Wix. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable way for clients to pay you right on your site. Start by heading to wix.com and logging in. From your dashboard, open My Sites and choose the website where you offer coaching. If you run multiple sites, double check you're selecting the one tied to your coaching services, so your changes go to the right place. Next, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is where you manage the look and settings of your site, including your payment setup. Give the editor a moment to load fully so all options are available. Now let's connect payments. In the left sidebar, go to Settings, then Accept Payments. You'll see options to use Wix Payments or connect a third-party provider like PayPal or Stripe. Wix Payments is usually the simplest because it's built in and supports major cards in many regions. If Wix Payments isn't available in your country or you prefer a provider you already use, pick PayPal or Stripe instead. To make this easy, I've placed a link to Wix right at the top of the description so you can get to the site quickly and follow along. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your chosen payment method. You'll be asked to connect your bank account so payouts can be deposited to you. Take a moment to review processing fees, your payout schedule, and currency, and make sure your business details are accurate. Enable credit and debit card payments, and if needed, turn on any additional options your clients prefer. With payments ready, link them to your coaching services. Open Wix Bookings, select the coaching services you offer, and toggle Paid Services. Set a clear price for each session, and attach the payment method you just configured. Transparent pricing helps clients book with confidence and reduces back and forth. If you offer different durations or tiers, ensure each one has the correct price and the same payment connection, so everything stays consistent at checkout. Before going live, test the full flow from a client's perspective. Book a session, go through the payment steps, and confirm you receive the booking and payment notifications in your dashboard and email. This quick test helps you catch anything that doesn't look right. When everything works smoothly, click Publish. Your site is now live with payment options enabled, and your clients can book and pay in one seamless experience. That's it! If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and thanks for watching.